In this video, we are going to use our Opay to make at least 1,000 naira daily and Hawkit. So you will know our Opay when we refer a friend, we are going to get paid at least 800 naira for each person we refer to Opay. But sending our link to our friend might be very difficult for us to do because most of them might have even registered on the platform. So how are we going to get people to register for the app, and we getting our referral commission? So I will be sharing with you how you are going to go about it. So the first thing is to go to your Opay account and you click on refer and earn, and I think they have a promo going on. So when you refer a friend, when you join the promo, so you can see this one we earn in 6 days time, and the first thing is that we will give you 750. So after giving you 750, anybody that you refer, if your friend or the person that you refer feel his or her phone number, so you get 2 naira, and when the person make transfer you get 10 naira, and when the person now transfer 100 naira or more you get 800 naira, and as this continues you continue to what, to earn more. So now we are going to use Opay and Hawkit to do this. So after we have registered and we have copied our Opay referral link, then we go to this site called Hawkit. So if you don't have this site called Hawkit, I'm going to leave the registration link down in the description box below, so that you can go there and register for it. So once you have registered for it, then you have something like this. So this is what you are going to do in this account, Hawkit account. In this Hawkit account, you can as well come here to earn just by you performing simple tasks like you following people on social media and co. So but for this video we are not going to follow anybody on social media, rather we want to give people work using this account. So what you are going to do is to advertise using this money you fund it. If you want to fund it, you can just click on fund and add the money you want to fund. Here you just fund 1,000 naira. So we are going to use 1,000 naira to do this in order to make money from this using Opay and this site. So after you have registered and you have funded your account, so the next thing is to advertise. You click on advertise, and when you click on advertise, you click on advertise on Hawkit market. No, we don't want that. Advertise on social media, so click on that. So you see advertise tags, but we want to do for engagement, not for social media one, like posting on status or posting on Facebook or WhatsApp status. So we are going to do engagement tags. So here engagement tags, you will see get people to follow your page on social media, 5 naira each. So we don't want that one. We want people to download app. Here you can see get people to download and review your app on Google Play. So that's the one you are going to do. So we are going to use 1,000 naira for it. So 1,000 naira, how many people are going to download our app and register like that? That will be 1,000 divided by 50. That will be around 20 people. So around 20, let's say out of that 20 people, let's say like 5 or 6 people out of them register for Opay, as the case may be. So and they register and start using it. So that means we will see 800 times like 6, that's like 4,000 something. So we are going to get our profit, and as well recover the money we are going to spend on the ads. So now that we have funded this account, then the next thing for us to do is to uh, set up our ad for it. Alright, so I've copied my referral link, and as well I've copied my instruction, what I want people to do uh, performing this task. So then I will click on select. I will click on select to start running the ads. Alright, now numbers of, so select platform is Google. For Google Play Store is 15 naira, and for App Store that's 100 naira. So I will go for Google Play. So numbers of app review you want. So I think I have around 1,800 and something here. So let me go for 1,000. Let me see, that be 21. Let me put 21 here. Gender, so is it female? So I want all gender. So we want all gender. And so location, I want all Nigeria. And religion, I want all religion, right? All religion. So the referral link of the Opay is here, right? That's it, and I've put it there. Then I have a script for you to use. You can use this script. So you see, make sure it is your first time downloading the app. And so let's say instruction. Let's write instruction. So make sure it's your first time of downloading the app. Then already downloaded OP app screenshot will be reviewed with software tracker and examined before accepted. So we are doing this so that people that will install and perform these tasks are people that have not used OP before. So that's the reason why we are putting this there, so that we can get real people that will be able to perform the tasks, and not people that already downloaded the app before. And you can review your tax, the tax they have done. You can review it by yourself by coming to your order and looking at the screenshot of each tax doer. So then you'll be able to assign it for each and every one, and as well you will be able to see the numbers of installation on your OP. That is numbers of fire on your OP. So that is very okay. Let me check if this, I want to check if this my referral link is is what is it. All right, so we have set up our ad now. Then I will click on submit. Select payment method. So they say select online payment method. So I will use this one, pay with your wallet. I have money in my wallet. I will use my wallet. All right, let us, so the tax is, I think the tax is now submitted. Just click on your order and you will see it. So this is the pending order. And see pending order. So now we need to leave it tip this our hard disk refill, and once it's refilled by them, it will start performing, and we are going to start earning from it. And at least this ad should be able to make us our money back, and we should be able to make profit. All right, make sure you watch this video, and if you have watched it, like this video so that you will be able to see the result from the second video I'm going to draw.